it tastes bitter, and Jamaicans love it too. They normally cook it traditionally with saltfish, but I have a recipe on my website for susumba, and it's just delicious. And it's bitter, but we love bitter food. Not all Jamaicans, but some of us, we do love bitter. Over your rice or millet or quinoa or whatever grain you have, or you're gonna have it with tortilla or a chapati or roti, whatever. This is gonna cook down really good. Okay, come in. All right, and I'm adding just some extra color. Okay, so there you go. So this is the color I want it. I want it to be more yellow, and the flavor of the cumin is gonna deepen the flavor. And I'm gonna just bring this to a boil, and once it's boiling, I'm gonna let it cook. And finally, what I'm gonna add, I'm gonna go ahead and add my salt. It's gonna help to break the eggplant down. And I'm adding a Scotch bonnet pepper from my garden. That's it, right on top. And then we're gonna bring this to boil, and then I'll be back shortly. So we're back, and it's finished. You can cook it for about 25 to 30 minutes, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. And it smells amazing in here. It looks amazing, very good. And there you go, absolutely gorgeous, exactly what I was looking for. Love the amount of sauce. It's just perfect. And while I was waiting for the eggplant and chickpea curry to cook, I went ahead and made me some buckwheat crepes. So this buckwheat crepe is gluten-free, it's vegan, there's no eggs in it, and it's soft. I put buckwheat flour, ground flaxseed, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and water, and I just made a batter, and I just cook it on a skillet, on a hot skillet. So I'm just gonna add the eggplant in the middle, right? And we can turn this off now, and then I'm going to do a taste test. So there you go, simple. On top of this, you could put your lettuce, you could put cilantro, you can add whatever, tomatoes, if you want to add some chopped carrots and cucumbers, whatever veggie you want to have. If you love to do pickled vegetables, whatever you like, you can add to the top to give it that crunch. You could add cilantro, I said that already, onions, green onions, and just enjoy. So now I'm ready for the taste test. So it's really good. So good, so flavorful. It is a curry flavor with a slight coconut milk and all the spices in it. It's just so good, it's dripping down my hand. I hope you try this recipe. It's very good, very delicious, and I give it a 10, and see you on the next video.